Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be riding the RIDSTAR. And it's been a month since I posted a long form video. I've been posting shorts, but as you can tell, it's raining. It's like everything's all wet, but I've never done a raining video, so let's get on with it. And we do have a new throttle, no key. Shout out to my friend for giving this to us. Such a W friend, but yeah, we'll get a surround throttle soon. Anyways, let's continue with the video. Today's just such a quiet day. Dang it, Loki feels so nice today. Except for like all the rain, but still. Oh guys, and I finally found the Baja light. So I don't know when I'm gonna order it because I still have some other stuff to do. But yeah, I finally did find one. I will have to order it soon though. Or I might just do a series, or not even a series. I might just buy all the parts and just mod it out, or I could do it like one by one. I feel like one by one would be pretty sick. So just like you put on the part and then ride. That would look pretty sick. Sorry if you can hear my foot dragging, I'm just low-key really trying not to slip. Oh, the lake looks nice. I remember coming back from here after I crashed. Dang. Oh yeah, I can show you guys exactly where I crashed. Oh yeah, and now all the ice is melted, but it's like still slick. I crashed like right here. Like low-key. I think somewhere over here. I remember I was hitting brakes. No, I think it was like right here. I was hitting brakes to turn right there. And then I just slid. Oh dang. Real suspension test. Hopefully it dries up later in the day because it's only like 11:30 in the morning. So like later, as long as the roads are dried up, then that would be tough. This back suspension sucks. guys, it's raining like way harder now. This black road is way more slick, so I have to be careful. No, but oh dang, it's like, it's not, I don't know, it feels like a lot colder, I don't know why. But I'm like soaked, so let's go back. Another one back there. Okay guys, I'm probably gonna end it here. I'm soaked. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, share, comment what you liked about this video, comment what I can improve about this video.